on its various initiatives and programs.
Kakong Santa Mary Shylla ke MLA na sutunga saipung hakajingkan benengkong jongka haging dorbar thoan mendakasni ka arpoi trik ulber kala ai ke jinyaro ke bakrau ya kamat bala kren daulat ke jella badru dak ba pendai ekti kala ai ke jin sungu ya sorkar jella hakajnya lam jong chief minister Konrad Sangma bad ke armul ke deputy CM ya ke jin thau ya ke lum shnong CNRD block badru ya ke jin shnai ke srok na sunapur berhan kabakot palat ya shispa arpo klor tengka kate ke MLA kala Kyrpad juru ya ke sorkar MDA2 pen urlong no ya ke Ain Tieh Dewiong kat kum ka Ain namar bunba ibangat ha ke jingduk namar ke jingkhang Tieh Dewiong kala Kyrpad ru banchanano da ke 4 lane ya ke srok NH6 babun bar ke jingthang kali nadu maurun knang che is Ain Tieh Hills
for according the sanction and the approval for the Sonapur Borkhat for more than 122 crores last year for construction of the road connecting the border villages of Huroi, Lejeri, Lahalin and Hingaria. This fulfills the 50 years long demand of the people of the border population. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm also to thank the government for the border hut in Huroi village, which is also under construction as I speak. This sanction clearly shows that the government is serious about the developmental needs of the people. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also take the opportunity to highlight and address some of the issues pertaining to my constituency and district, which I'm seeking the attention of the government during the present tenure. So with the road conditions, Mr. Speaker, sir, with increasing number of vehicles along almost on daily basis, and also the number of heavy motor vehicles passing through the NH6, there is an urgent need to upgrade the existing NH6 from Marangkanang to Malidor to a 4-lane national highway. Mr. Speaker, sir, there is a frequent traffic jam along the NH6 both in West and East Ain Tieh Hills district. So I also have another issues, Mr. Speaker, sir. Large number of people in East Ain Tieh Hills district depends on earning from the coal directly or indirectly. Ever since the Honorable NGT banned coal mining, lives of the people have been severely affected in numerous ways, and many people were pushed to poverty because of this reason, because of unemployment. Trade and other activities have also been severely impacted, and the ban has been decreased the purchasing power of the people. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am glad that the government has been taking several initiatives to start legal coal mining, and I'm made to understand that there has been several applicants who have been applied for the mining lease under the MMDR Act. However, mining is yet to start till date. So I wish to request the government to kindly expedite the process of starting legal coal mining and to pursue the matter aggressively with concerned authorities and to ensure that the legal mining starts as soon as possible. I request the government utmost attention to this matter, sir. With these few submissions, sir, I hope and request the government to take all the possible steps to the points I have mentioned for the development and the welfare of our beloved state. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you.
With this opportunity.